Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be playing with the new Fenty Beauty lipstick shades and the highlighter. I'm so excited when they launch it for the Valentine's Day, but even though it's already past Valentine's Day, I'm gonna do this video still because I just got my hands on them. I am so excited. So I'm gonna start with the lipstick, and you're gonna zoom in a little bit closer. And the first lipstick I'm gonna dive in is the Stunna lip paint in the shade Unattached. It looks a little bit scary when she posts it on the Instagram, but when I see it on real life, it doesn't look as scary. And I kind of like swatch before I decide to pick them up. So hopefully it will look not terrible on my lips and my skin tone. Today's lighting is not as great. It's cloudy and a little bit rainy outside and a little bit chilly even inside. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know that I was in Nashville, Tennessee in the past weekend. And I'm still a little bit tired from traveling. Woo! Wow, that looks super neon. Lord, I never wear this. No, actually I wore it once. Long time ago. I'm gonna stop talking. It's got on my teeth. God damn it. Ooh, it's so bright, so neon. It is beautiful, but it's not my speed. I don't know where and when I would wear this. Definitely not daily basis. I don't know. I mean, okay, I will move on to the next shade. It does leave a stain. The second shade is Unlocked. Again, this shade is also beautiful, but would I see myself wear this shade often? No. It looks super bright. Okay, next. Okay, last shade is called Undefeated. This shade, I might see myself wearing this one. I'm gonna have to see. I used to love to wear dark lipstick before I met my husband, and now not so much. I don't know. If I can open this. Okay, if you don't know me, I love the Stunna lip paint, and I have basically all the shades except for the black one, because I don't generally wear black lipstick. And this one is interesting shade. I don't know if I would wear any of these regularly, if you know what I mean. It's not really my kind of go-to, but they're all really beautiful shade and really pigmented, and that long-lasting formula is great. And for the highlighter, they made two shades, which are What a Brat and Chills. I'm gonna go into What a Brat first. It's so pretty, and it's creamy and smooth like the normal one. I only had one when it first launched. I have the Trophy Wife. It's beautiful. When I saw in a photo for the shade Chills, it looked a little bit like baby blue, but in real life it looks more like frosty with a little bit of green shift, like kind of like almost minty. I kind of want to put the chills on my lid. That's really pretty. Okay, for some reason this highlighter shade and this lipstick just make me think of the winter vibe. Now I'm gonna go into What a Brat shade, and I'm just gonna put that on my cheekbone and see what happens. It is so pretty. Okay, I saw my fellow YouTuber friend Lundyn Marshall. I don't know if I say her name correct, but she kind of put the Stunna lip paint on her eyes, and I kind of want to try to do as the liner, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just playing with makeup. And I kind of want to see if I put this shade unattached on the center of my lid. No, my lips. That's kind of interesting. Oh, it's hot now. And that is it for today's video. What do you guys think? Which shade or which one is your favorite? Leave me the comment down below. And I do feel like if you're not really into pink, these might not worth it, because I don't know when I'm gonna wear them, if you know what I mean. But they are really beautiful, they are great, they're formula wise. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.